Okay, we're going to start with the target. And the target we have is right over here. You notice that the entirety of this whole area, the middle is right over here in the second tier of 3. Here's 1, here's 3, here's 5. See this one over here? This is the center. If I would remark, it would be this one over here and 8 around it. Okay, the 8 that would be around it would be the center of this one. Okay, imagine we're going to go back again. We're going to look at this one here. Okay, we're going to turn it down and put it on the table and create the design. Okay, we're going to take this one and put it here and show you where it shows up. Did I do that right? Okay, that's the way it shows up. This is the center one. Okay, this one, okay, these two are in this sector here. This one is in this sector here. Okay, these, okay, two are in this sector here. So you get 1 and 1, you get 1 and 1, and here you only get 1. In this house, you get 3. This is the center. These are 3 complete areas. Now what we do is we do the same thing for this one. We come into this house, and because it's the same color pen, okay, we're going to come into this house, and we're going to go all the way over and all the way up. And now the center we're going around is this center over here. Now we come to this house over here. Now this one's the center. This is the center over here. And we will go around the center over here. And that is your next house. So now you did this house, this. And the last house that's missing is this house over here. Okay. 3 of them lock up to 1. The stand. Okay. We have 1 and 2 connect to the stand. This one over here, the center of it, becomes... This is the center over here. It becomes, boom, over here. You notice the way this line never gets cut. This line never gets cut. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Same thing with all of these. These are an explanation. So either you have the house of 4. So when you have this automatic house of 4, okay, it's because this house of 4 is part of 4 sections over here. So it's 1 and it's 4. Anything around this one will be 8. Anything around this one, right, will be 4 above, will be 4 below, 2, 4, 2. This one will be 3 above, 3 below, 1, 1, 1. So now we're going to go into the next. In gematria, okay, we count only to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're just going to go backwards and forwards in the same 7. I'm not going to do the continuous count. I'm just using a straight piano count. It all becomes 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 minus 8 plus 8, 8, 8 minus becomes 6, becomes 4, becomes 202, becomes 2, 4, and 6. When we add the first 2 together is 10, okay? And we add the last 2 together is 10. We bring together the center as 4, okay? 10 and 4, 10 and 4. This is your link communication. Okay, all zeros equal to 6. This would be 10, 10, 10. Now we're going to go into the 4 scenario, where everything, remember, the 10 world becomes 1. Becomes 1, 4, 1. This is the exchange of your DNA. Inside the plus and the minus becomes 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The D, right, which is 4, equals to 0, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 10. We just use it as 0, replacing D with 0, the A and E world. 1, 2, 3, 4, we'd have a double 0 for working it in between, right? It would say 2002, 100 years of Mickey Mouse or something. You minus it, becomes 2020, 202, 262, rotation of the arm. Remember, if you're on the spit, right, and you turn this spit, you understand when you turn the pig on a spit, one part is up, one part is down. You know how this thing works? It's Raphael, St. Raphael, the spit, number 5 and 2 showing up and down, rotation, 5 and 2. So anyways, we're going to go down and we're going to work it into now something a little bit different. Now we're going to go and work regular numbers. We didn't do Chaldean. Chaldean I'll show you after this. Here we do regular numbers, up to 9 and down from 9. So when we do up from 9 and down from 9, everything added will be 10. The center, okay, over here, 5 and 5 is 10, right? When you minus it, right? When you minus it, okay, minus, 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 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus 10, hold on a second. 8 and 2 is 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 and 7 is 10. 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 and 4 is 10. 6 minus 4 is 2. 864202462 202 202. We all got the same answer, right? So now we're going to take this answer in the center. We're going to go 8 and 6 equals to 14 on this side. 8 and 6 equals to 14 on this side. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 1 through 3, it becomes 4, 1, 4. Okay, that's what it all gets linked up to this one over here. So I'm going to take out the first two, and I'm going to put these two together. 9 and 8 together, 17. 1 and 2 equals 3. They equal 20 and 14 together. It would end up connecting Zion, but anyways, time of Zion. But let's just continue into the numbers. So as we continue deeper into the numbers, we get 14 and 4 equals 18. N, D, second, second, second. Talking all about being second. Add it and minus it becomes 18 and 10. JR, Jack King. When we do it up over here, we now have 10 and 8, 10 and 6, 10 and 4. I can go minus and say 2, 4, 6, 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 8 going the other way. If I go 8 minus this becomes 2. Now I'm adding it. 18 and 16 is 34. The next number is 14. 34 and 14, 48. The next number is 12. We're going to leave it. The next number is 0, then 12 again, because we link in the center. I'm pulling the sides together, and I'm linking the center to use both sides. So the next one we have, and this over here represents the spirit of the heaven angel of the son of the day of man. Why does it say that? This represents the half-life of the spirit A and I, 1 and 9, first and last. Remember, first and last, right? First and last. Here's the halfway point. 37 is the halfway point. First and last is the halfway point of everything. 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 gives you your 8 and 9, all beginning with 1 and 2. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will equal to the power of 2 and 3. 2 and 8 is the cycle of the heaven. 1 and 9 is the spirit. 28 and 19, if you want to work at it, it'll be 38, the church. Or it'll be 28, 47. It'll be the cycle in the moon. 4 times 7, the moons of Saturn in this case, or the eye. When you take away 19 from here, it is the birth of I. Question is, I is a capital letter. A is not a capital letter, but I is a capital letter. A is inside of I. So anyways, this total over here would be 48 on one side, 48 on the other side, and 24 in the center, right? This 24 over here, 16, it'll be, I know it's hard to see, 18, 16, 14, 18, 16, 34, 48, and 12 is 60, 60. Gives us a total of 120 minutes, 2 minutes on the clock. Let's start, please. Give me 2 minutes on the clock. Let's start. One more thing I wanted to add into this. If you tell me give me a hard 6, it'll be 3 and 3. If I say give me a hard 8, it'll be 4 and 4. If I say give me a hard 4, it'll be 2 and 2. If I say give me a hard 10, give me 5 and 5. But if I give you a hard 4, the opposite side will be this. If I give you a hard 6 or 8, these are the opposites of each other. This will create 3 by 4, 19. This will create 17. 2 times 5, 2 plus 5. Jack, God, the gateway inside of Mars. This is the spirit, and this is the gateway. 9 times 7, 63 moons of Jupiter. 9 and 7, 16. Spirit on the cross. Game of the half-life. 10 plus 9, 10 plus 7. How about minus equals 1? How about minus equals 3? Yellow and red equaling to the orange sun. 1 and 3 equals to 4, right? But the reality is the 3 ball is red, and the 1 ball is yellow, equals to the orange ball in the 5. The sun gets the angle. Anyways, Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.